Hello viewers, welcome to Tradabulls. So finally, after 3 sessions, Nifty closed above 25,000 mark. So 25,113 is one of the key levels, and even in our last session, if it is any breakout, either 25,113 or 24,750 would be the key levels. So today Nifty closed above 25,113 mark. So now we may expect some technical bounce, so till 25,500 level. So which is 50% of last swing's range. So last swing range was around 1600 points. So from 25,277 to 24,700. So almost all 1600 points, more than 1600 points. So here, if we expect some technical bounce, at least 50% of the last swing is indicating 25,500. So 18,800. So from 24,700 to 800 is indicating somewhere 25,500 mark. So after 6 sessions, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sessions. So today's close is higher than the last 6 sessions close. And after 3 days, Nifty was closed above one big round number or psychological number, that is 25,000 mark. So even Bank Nifty is also more than 4,300 points fall. So the swing was indicating around 4,300 points. So from here we may expect till another 2,150 points. So which is indicating somewhere 52,300 to 52,400 mark. So both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty is expecting some technical bounce. So 52,300 or 400 will be the 50% of the recent swings range for Bank Nifty, and 25,500 would be the 50% of last swings range for Nifty. And IT also, after 17 sessions, this is one of the best closings, and all 3 major indices. So Nifty has partial breakout for upside, and Bank Nifty and IT both has clearly breakout upside. And the last 17 sessions closing, when we compare last 17 sessions closing, today's close is one of the best closing, close to 43,000 for IT. And this is one of the best high and best closings in October month for IT. And I think this is 9th session. So for this month, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So today's session is 9th session for October month. So last 8 sessions closing and high was greater than less than today's high. So this is one of the best closings and best high. And even the recent high for IT was indicating somewhere 43,645. So maybe this week it may retest that recent high, that is 43,645 mark. So coming to Tradabulls final calls. So Nifty entered into bullish plus, and Bank Nifty is also entered into bullish plus. IT bullish plus, Fin Nifty bullish plus, and mid cap is indicating bullish plus. So still Reliance is indicating bearish plus as of now. So now Reliance results are there. So we may see tomorrow how it will be reacted for that. But as per data, clearly it is indicating bearish plus. But with today's session, Reliance has clearly mentioned similar kind of lows for last 7 days. So the last 7 days, almost all, it was closed somewhere same kind of lows. So 2736. So somewhere 2736 was the lowest point. So this is almost all this is 7th day to maintain the similar kind of lows. So coming to candlestick view for Nifty, so 78.6% of last week's range was 25,118 and 25,113 was the 23.6% of last month's range. So both weekly candle and monthly candle clearly closed above that levels, so which is indicating further bullishness. So Nifty, Bank Nifty and IT as per trends. So Nifty, Bank Nifty and IT short-term trend, mid-term trend and a long-term trend. So short-term trend is down for Nifty, mid-term trend is also down, long-term trend is up for Nifty, and Bank Nifty as of yesterday it was down, short-term trend. Today it got changed and long-term trend up. So IT all trends are up. So today both Bank Nifty and IT short-term trends got changed. So both Bank Nifty and IT got entered into short-term uptrends. So short-term trend for both Bank Nifty and IT got changed. So it was indicating towards upside, whereas mid-term trend for Nifty and Bank Nifty are indicating still somewhat lower side. So still no change for short-term trend on Nifty. So both short-term and mid-term are indicating further low. So as per traders' view, so since last 3 days we are clearly mentioning that these are the important levels for Nifty, that is 25,113, which is 23.6% of last month's range, and 24,753 was the last month's low. So if either closing above 25,113 or below 24,753, then only we may expect some clear-cut trend, otherwise it would be in consolidation. But today it was closed above 25,113. So the next probable number for higher side would be 25,335 and 25,515. So 25,335 is 38.2% of last month's range for Nifty, as well as 25,515 would be the 50% of last month's range. So 25,515 would be the higher chances. Why? Because so the trend, the swing, whatever created for 1600 points, so 50% of the swing is indicating about 800 points. So from 24,700, which is a recent low, to 800 points are indicating somewhere 25,500. So 25,500 would be the next probable number for Nifty. And Bank Nifty, so today it's clearly closed above last week high. Last week high was 51,785 and the last month range 38.2% range was indicating somewhere 51,935. So today's close, it's almost all near to that level. So 51,935 is indicating 38.2% of last month's range. So as per traders' view, so 50%, so today it's closed that level, almost all near to that level, 38.2%. So tomorrow, if any half an hour candle or 1 hour candle closes above 51,935, we may expect till 54,400 level, which is 50% of last month's range for Bank Nifty. So both Nifty, Bank Nifty are expecting some technical bounce, so which is 50% of last month's range. So for Nifty it would be 25,500 and for Bank Nifty it is 52,400 level. And IT, so IT clearly indicating a bigger breakout. So today's close was close to 100% of last month's range. So that is 42,872. So 42,872, above that 61.8% of last month's range. So 42,869 is 61.8% of last month's range. So the next probable numbers for IT would be 43,200 and 43,645. So coming to major indices, so sentiment wise, Nifty 13 out of 50 were closed on negative and 37 out of 50 were closed on positive side. So majorly HDFC Bank contributed higher number of points. So 64 points out of 200 points contributed by HDFC Bank. So after that, L&T was contributed around 20 points, ITC was contributed around 17 points, and Infosys, ICICI Bank also contributed around 15 to 17 points. So negative side, no much contributors. So Maruti, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finance, ONGC, very nominal contributors for negative side. And as per monthly data, so still Nifty is indicating 40 out of 50 are negative and 10 out of 50 are positive. Majorly, Reliance was contributed around 176 points negative side out of around 700 points. So HDFC Bank around 70 points negative. ICICI Bank is also indicating around 66 points. So all three major banks and Reliance. So four counters are clearly it was contributed negative side. So if there is any change in the trend from all these four, then we may expect some technical bounce. So till 25,500 level. And Bank Nifty, so today's sentiment was 2 out of 12 were closed on negative side and 10 out of 12 were closed on positive side. Majorly, the leaders of the banks, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak, these three closed on positive side contribution, and Axis Bank, Bandhan Bank closed on negative side contribution. So whereas monthly data clearly indicating 9 out of 12 are closed on negative side and 3 out of 12 are closed on positive side. So only Kotak Bank, SBI and Bandhan were closed on positive side contribution. So majorly ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank closed on negative side. So whereas in IT, so IT except TCS, so remaining 9 counters were closed on positive contribution, whereas monthly data clearly indicating TCS, Emphasis, LTTS was closed on negative contribution, and positive side Infosys was contributed around 527 points out of 926 points. So as per index top 10s, so Nifty was intraday 7 out of 10 closed positive side and weekly 5 out of 10 are closed on positive side. Monthly still somewhat weakness is indicating 7 out of 10 were closed on negative side, whereas in banks, so 7 out of 10 were closed on positive side for intraday, 5 out of 10 are closed on positive side for weekly data. Monthly 6 out of 10 are showcasing still in negative side. So whereas IT 9 out of 10 are positive for daily and weekly as well, but monthly it is indicating 7 out of 10 are positive. So clearly IT was in clear uptrend, whereas Bank Nifty and Nifty may expect some technical bounce. So for heat maps, we have implemented previous range percentage also. So based on this, we can able to see how many counters were closed on previous time frames high. So suppose if it is weekly, so whatever counters are indicating above 100%, so those counters are closed above last week's high. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 counters out of 50 were closed on above that last week's high. So positive side 9 and a negative side, if it is less than 0%, then we can say closed below last week's low, but none of the counters closed below last week's low. So likewise, we can able to see how many counters closed on monthly range. So last month high above how many and last month low below how many also we can able to see. So only 3 counters closed above last month's high. So Divis Lab, HCL Tech and Tech Mahindra, these 3 closed above last month's high. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 out of 50 still are trading below last month's low. So in that ITC, Ultrasemco, Cipla, Tata Motors, Titan, TCS, IndusInd Bank, Asian Paint, SBI Life, Reliance and Tata Consumer, still it is indicating it is trading below last month's low. So whereas on indices, so if you see last week high, how many are closed? So Fin Nifty, Mid Cap Select, Bank Nifty closed above last week's high. So IT closed to last week's high, and Nifty next 50 and Nifty closed almost 80% of last week's range. So monthly, only IT was in clear upside above 61.9%. So generally 61.8% would be the threshold point. If it is above that one, so we may expect further upside rally. So clearly among all, IT is indicating clear upside, and Fin Nifty are showcasing somewhat weakness. So this is about today's analysis. So with today's data, Nifty, Bank Nifty and IT has clearly created a good breakouts, and Nifty, Bank Nifty we may expect some technical bounce. So that is 50% of last month's last swings range. So Nifty probable number would be 25,500 and Bank Nifty probable number would be 52,400 level. So that's all about today's analysis. We'll meet on next analysis. Thank you so much.